Introducing Flexxaire's new Wi-Fi timer. We'll show you how to connect to the timer. Quite simply, push to connect on the Deutsch connector. The Wi-Fi network will show up. You connect to the Wi-Fi. The password is shown on your device. Now it's simply onto the browser. You type the address as seen on your timer. And here you will see simple timer settings. Interval between fan purges in minutes. Duration of the fan reversal in seconds. Both fields which are easy to change as you see fit. You can initiate a reverse, and of course, at any time if you have issues or problems, you can call Flexxaire.